Hello everybody and welcome back. In this lecture, we will create our pages, which are the main pages, and these are the pages which is must for your online store. So you can't go public without having these pages. So we will going the all the necessary pages which we need in our online store. So first we need to set up legal pages. So you need to go to the settings and click on legal. So here we will go with refund policy, privacy policy, terms of service, and shipping policies. So these are the legal pages of your store. So at just one click you can click create from template, and Shopify just has some templates there. So you can just change some of these, but like if you want to set a 10-day return, so click go here and write 10 days return. It is refund policies, and this is your email address, so check this. And if everything is fine, now let's go to the privacy policy. Click on create from template. So here's your privacy policies. You can see your store name here. Scroll down and see everything is fine. If there is anything which is not according to your store, so here is your address. So if you want, you can change here address, and here is your email address. You can put your email address here. Now let's go to the terms of service. Click create from template, and here we go. So this website is operated by, so you can change your store address from here. Now let's go down and see. Just skim through the template and see everything is fine, because these are legal pages. So our email address, everything is fine. Shipping policies, so we don't have any template because shipping policies is something which the store admin create. So we need to add a shipping policies. So in the resource section I have added my own template which is perfect for all the stores no matter where you are selling. So I will put that down. So here is our shipping policies. I will just copy it. And I will just paste it here. Here is our shipping policies. So now if you want, you can just click this is the rich text editor. If you don't know, I will just explain it. So this is our fonts. So heading 1, heading 2 to increase decrease the heading. This is for bold, italic, underline. This is for list, bullet lists, for number list, and this is for spacing. This is for alignment. So like if I want this line to be in center, so I will click centered align. So you can see this is now in center. So this one is color, so let's keep red. So you can see this is red. If you want to add a link, like I have added a contact us link here, so you can add that to, like you can click here, click on this link, and you can add any page link here. So whenever someone clicks here, they will go to that page. You can add pictures from here. So this is all about, let me underline this. So we provide you free shipping with fast delivery around 5 to 15 days. So this is up to you. If you want to provide free shipping, you can write here free shipping. If you take charges, so you can write charges here, how much charges you take for shipping, and what is your time of delivery, you can mention it here, and then you can read all the shipping policies here. So you can see it is perfect. Now you will click on save. I will provide this template in the resource section, so you can just direct copy and paste the same template. Just you need to change this link. I will show you how to change contact us link. So this is how we do, and just change the shipping time here and your charges of shipping. Now you are all set to go. Now our legal pages have been set up. Now we will go we will create other pages. So we need to go to the online store. We will click on pages. We will click on add page. So legal pages have been set up. Now we will go with FAQ page and contact us page. These both pages are very important. So first we will create a contact us page. So right here, title contact us. Here you can write information like email us. You can so one thing I need to tell you about this rich text editor, like if you enter space, so you can see there is a gap between the both lines. You can see there is a gap. So if you want to fill this gap, you need to press shift plus enter. So now you can see there is no gap. So this is how it works. You can write here phone number, and then it is fine, but we need a form here, a form. So we need to go this theme template and we need to click contact. Now click on save. You can also edit it, like if you want it to be in center, you can click here, center. You can just increase the font or decrease. So let's click on save and let's view this page. Click on view page. So this is the page. So you can see contact us, email us. Now anywhere your visitors can write your name, email address, phone number, and they can contact you and they can send the message from here, and you can see their message in the admin or at your email address. So this is how we create contact us page. Now let's go back, and now let's create another page which is FAQ page. So click here, FAQ. So for FAQ we will use a template. So I have already made a template, so I will provide this template in the resource section. So paste it. So just remove all these spaces here. So this is the exact same template I use everywhere, and it has all the questions. You can also add questions here of your choice, but these are some of the important questions. So you can just bold some questions, you can just add links from here. Just I show how to add a link. So this is how you can add links. Now click on save. You just need to copy and paste the template which I provide in the resource part. So now let's view this page. So this is how it was. Okay, so we have created our contact us page and FAQ page and legal pages also. Now let me tell you one important thing, how to link your page to a text. So you can see contact us page here, contact us here. So we will click on link and we will just remove this URL which is of previous, and we will put URL of our store. So click on this and we will copy and we will paste it. Click on edit link or save link. Same we can do with other contact us, and we will click on save. Same thing we have to do with legal pages also. In shipping policy you can see here is a contact us. So we will click on link and we will put our, we will click on edit link. We will click on save. Now if anybody clicks on that contact us text, they will be redirected to the contact. So let's remove all this. So in this lecture we have created our pages. In next lecture